Have a good one. Hi!
Woohoo!
We're going to Costa Rica!
Okay guys, as you can see, we're all reunion together. We went to buy some stuff for Costa Rica. We just closed the ticket for 3 weeks. We're going to Costa Rica for 3 weeks, right? Whee!
We're getting ready to Costa Rica. We're putting a few more pounds on us.
Of vegetables.
We're just getting some food brain. Food brain? That's how you say? Or
You're eating my brain.
or food for the brain. Or brain.
My brain is food for you.
It is. I eat your brain every day, all day. After we eat the brains,
We'll eat some potato with chili.
no, that's what we're doing right now. But we're
We'll
going
eat
to
more.
pack our shit up because we have to go. We have to go to Costa Rica. Costa Rica is waiting. Hi everyone, so yes, we're traveling to Costa Rica for 3 weeks. Excited, we haven't been into a vacation for a long time. I'm going to share with you our baby essentials for this trip. I have another list for general things that we're taking with us from a minimal view perspective. Let's get to it. So there were 2 things that I actually had to buy specifically for flying, and that's a carrier bag for the stroller and 1 carrier bag for our car seat. The stroller because sometimes she sleeps in it and I know it's going to be convenience for us. As far as the car seat, you might want to check in advance to see if the car rental does provide a car seat. The car rental that we have does provide a car seat. Come here, my love. They provide a car seat, but they saying that it's from a year and up, so they're not taking any responsibility for a baby that is under a year on their own car seat. As far as the bags, they're reusable, so you can always use them and you don't have to worry about using a disposable wrap or wrapping it at the gate or whatnot. Next. So there are a few things that we're taking that we are using at home. They are essential, like coconut oil. I just put in a little jar because after every shower and bath time we put coconut oil or sesame oil, and I got this little bottle with sesame oil in it. It's not full, just enough for us for the vacation. I ordered a water float. I thought it would be nice for her to have something because we are going to be at the beach and at the pool, and we are going to spend some time in the water. I'm taking a few hats for her, probably 3 or 4. Now let's show everybody your hip seat. This hip seat is amazing, just connected to your hips and your baby sits on top of you. You can also breastfeed on this. It's just really takes the weight of the baby out of your hands or your shoulders, and it kind of aligns the baby weight on your hips and your upper body. So you just place it here, you close it, you buckle up, comes with a buckle, and the baby just stays here. We have our diaper bag, cloth wipes on this department, a little sample of disposable wipes. I have some Q-tips here. Sometimes I put calendula oil if she has a rash, her butt spray, if you may call it this way. It's a formula I make at home from witch hazel, tea tree oil, coconut oil, and some water mixed together. Also another bag inside with some cloth diapers ready. The easy cloth diapers that I have, it's kind of all in one. I'm gonna stay here until we fly, even though I have to do another laundry of cloth diapers tonight. We're actually flying tomorrow. I got her this large diaper change mat. It's pretty huge, just so wherever we're going to be, I can lay her down on it. I also have some disposable liners. I put those inside of the cloth diapers, so if she poops, I can pick it up and I don't have to worry about having the poop on the diaper and cleaning it later on, because we're traveling, it's not going to be as convenient, so I prefer to put those. Essential for all of us. I got some chamomile. This is in case she has anything in her eye. She just lately had a little bit of eye infections, nothing too major, but this is nice to have in case she does have an eye infection. I also have a special cloth diapers detergent that I have to take with me. Probably I can find something relative to this over there, but I didn't want to take the chance, so I'm just taking the amount that I will need for all these days. I got her also the booger sucker, of course, you never know when you're going to need it, with some refills, with the nasal drop, a thermometer, even though we just use it maybe just in the beginning a few times, but you never know when your baby will have a fever and you want to make sure they're in the right temperature. Here's another item that will go in my cloth diaper bag, these compostable bags to put the liners with the poop in. They're made out of cornstarch, so they are environmentally friendly. I'm also taking with us those little finger toys. Now let me show you what else we have in the luggage already. Some socks, definitely if you have a crawler. Some headbands, pants, long short pants, onesies that have half a sleeve and also long sleeve. Some t-shirts. I usually use them on top of the onesies, those kind that have no sleeve. Some blankets. So this is Abigail's side of the luggage. They're going to be the cloth diapers there as well. We are probably taking this wrap, ring sling wrap. I don't know if I will use it a lot, but I will definitely use it. Also this bag, it's like a traveling hiking bag. It's with a seat for her, for the baby. Now there's a few more things I didn't go over. I need to make a mosquito repellent for her. Also, of course, I didn't mention some teethers, some pacifiers, some of the toys that she likes, nothing too big. We're probably gonna get some booklets, those little booklets with the image and the words. Sunscreen, of course, very important. I use this one with the zinc and shea butter. Very natural, very good for the skin. I also use it for myself. It's amazing. Taking her baby monitor, her personal towels. Okay guys, now it's time to talk about what we're taking for ourselves. As far as first aid, I'm taking turmeric with us. It's probably available everywhere you go. Again, I'm trying to avoid buying things there because I'm not aware of the brands, I'm not aware of where they're coming from, and I just prefer to have my own things that I'm used to. Also, I'm taking my Nausea Oil. It's just a really calming oil. It's really helpful if I have any neck pain or shoulder pain or whatnot. You never know when those come. So very good for sinuses. If I get sick, it can automatically help. It looks like that. If you haven't tried to snort Nausea Oil, it's one of the best things, really. I love it. A speaker, so we can have a speaker with us when we're outside and we want to listen to the music when we're at the beach or whatnot, and also to have it in her room when she sleeps, so we can put the white noise and whatever we use. I usually put some mantras when she goes to sleep or some reggae music. I had to change the shirt. I had a leaking boob. I wanted to actually mention a few more products that I haven't mentioned. We're taking this backpack with us so we can have enough water whenever we're outside. I have this toothbrush from this company called Grinzella. Comes with a carrier. It's all bamboo. Eco-friendly deodorant, toothpaste. Today they come in tablets. Definitely much better for the environment. We are also using bar soaps. I also grabbed some reusable grocery bags. You know, we're going to shop for groceries there, fruits, vegetables, so I like to use those. This is so random, but scissors for the baby. I didn't mention it. It's definitely a must. We're going for 3 weeks. We're going to need to cut her nails. And I think that's it for today. If you had any questions about this flight, about our preparations, anything, just let us know in the comments. We're actually going to be in multiple locations. We're going to make a vlog for each location we're going to stop in and show you around and show you what we think about the area and what do we think about the stay. We're going to show you everything we're going to do there, pretty much. Thank you so much guys for watching, and we'll see you on our next video.